I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Those are my 2 ways for building a cloth diaper stash with 0 monies. I'm going to give you a few more suggestions for doing it with a lower price point. Y'all ready? Let's go. The first one is to buy cloth diapers secondhand. This is similar to the first, but in the first case, someone's actually just giving you your diapers with nothing exchanged, no strings attached. They're yours now, right? But if you want to buy diapers, there is a pretty healthy seconds cloth diapering market, and you can exchange diapers that way and get some really good, gently used diapers from another mom who's looking to sell her diapers. So it's a way to get some really, like I said, high-end diapers or gently used diapers at a much lower cost than you having to pay full price for them. Sounds like a win-win. The next way to get a good deal on your cloth diaper stash is to look for manufacturer sales. Here I'm kind of talking about the Ross, TJ Maxx version of cloth diapering, where you're going to these manufacturers, waiting for them to drop sales on diapers that technically have nothing wrong with them. They just maybe didn't come out in the perfect color. Maybe there was something that the manufacturer did that was a little bit funky, but it doesn't impact the functionality of a diaper. This is a good way to really lower the cost of your cloth diaper because you're still getting a great cloth diaper. It might just have some little tagging issues or color issues or something minor that maybe you can overlook in lieu of getting an excellent deal. I definitely think it's worth checking out. And the last suggestion that I have for you, and this is gonna bring in some of my little finance background. You're gonna hear a little bit of my day job right here. But the last way is to dollar cost average your diapers. To give you an example of what I mean here, maybe there are some really high-end cloth diapers that you want in your stash, and I think you should buy them. You should have what you want for your baby. But maybe you can't afford to have a whole stash of diapers, or you don't want a whole stash of diapers from that particular manufacturer. What you can do is do the high-end diapers, but also do some lower-end diapers. Maybe it's adding in some pre-folds, something that is really cheap, or maybe it's getting some pocket diapers from China. You can do that too. But what I'm saying is get the high-end diapers, but average it out with low-end diapers, and then your average cost of your diapers becomes something that's really affordable and mild. Dollar cost averaging method gets you really the best of both worlds and really everything that you want. Really, at the end of the day, you want to be happy with your stash. This is an investment, so make sure it's worth it. I mean, even if we are considering that cloth diapers doesn't cost thousands of dollars, I mean, you are spending a few $100s, right? And you want to get the most bang out of your buck for whatever amount of money you decide to spend. I just thought of a bonus one. Another thing that you should do, especially if it's hard times with money, is to consider going to some of these cloth diapering advocacy groups. Depending on where you live, there are some groups who want to just provide cloth diapers to moms at no charge. Depending on what your circumstances and stuff are, you should definitely look into that as an option as well. Every baby deserves cloth diapers, no matter what the financial situation at home looks like. My suggestion for starting that Google search would be free cloth diapers in your city. That will probably help get you on the right track to finding an advocacy group in your area that gives out cloth diapers for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, or if you have another way to save a mom money on cloth diapers, make sure you drop it in the comments below. Let's get the dialogue going on this one. As always, guys, make sure you head over to ClothCuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.